My name is Sam Wurth. I'm an illustrator and aspiring animator, and this is why I create. I started drawing as a very, very small person. I just sort of kept doing it. I would use the pencil and paper, and then I graduated when I got a little bit better to pen. I definitely think it's the way that my brain works. I've tried doing other things. Just this morning I was remembering how abysmally bad I was at things like chemistry. I think it started from just a place of a natural urge to make something really cool. And the reason that I'm still pursuing that is that I really want to keep track of what really keeps me sane. I think I create because it's an important natural part of my life. You know, if you skip breakfast or even lunch sometimes, you know, you feel bad. And I look back on some days and I think, oh, I didn't draw or I didn't do anything creative. And yeah, it feels like I skipped a meal. The best advice that I can give is just practice and really have fun with it. That most of the time, like 90% of my artistic career really has been doodling in my notebooks, my sketchbooks, my math books, or you know, any number of places that I can find it. Just practice and have fun with it. It's what I do. My name is Sam Wurth, and this is why I create.